Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I have tons of videos to make, and so I'm going to make them and put them out every day or every other day. But I said, oh my gosh, I even have Easter to show you, so let me show you some Easter before Easter comes. So I use this die. It's an easel die. It is from Anna Griffin 3D Bunny Easel Die. There's all my extra pieces, and this is how I store mine. And then I put it in file folders actually. So I'll show you them. This is a brown, so I wanted it to look like chocolate, and everything I used is Anna Griffin, and then it sits up like that. So this is what it looks like, and it says Happy Happy Easter. Isn't that really pretty? Look at all the eggs and then the flowers, and then here is the second one. I love the pedestal. And I made 4, so here's 2 more. So either I give you inspiration or it says what not to do. I love the light pink one. And you can also make this and put it on a regular 5x7. You don't have to make an easel. You would only use the two, this one and the shadow behind it. You don't use the big one. And then you would use all these pieces. And then the last one is a blue one. So I'm going to give these to my 3 grandchildren, and probably save one for myself. But there you go. I don't have time to get these mailed out to my mother and family members because I just realized today's Monday and Easter is Sunday, less than a week, and the mail takes like 2 weeks. So Mom, if you're looking at this, this is what I made, but sorry. But anyway, my mom would want one that's more religious with a cross on it, I think, and everything. So these are my Easter cards. These are ideas of what to do or what not to do. So they stand up like that. So I hope you like them. I had fun making them, and the grandbabies will get 3 of them, and then I'll save one. So yeah, alright, have a blessed day. I just wanted to show you something really quick, what I was up to. Next video is coming up, and I'll post daily, not on top of each other, but every day I'll post something. All my links are down below, and I hope you follow me, and I hope you subscribe, and I'm just a girl that likes to craft. Bye.